Welcome back to AmazingTrungX, where resin and miniature art bring to life stories that go far beyond reality. Deep within the dark ocean, where light has never touched, lies an ancient mansion known as the Abyssal Mansion. It was not built by human hands, but stands as the shadowy throne of a terrifying creature, Dreadtopus, the Octopus of Dread. In the endless darkness, it silently guards cursed secrets, waiting for those bold enough to descend, only to never return. Today, I will bring this haunting vision to life through a handcrafted resin diorama, where light and shadow intertwine to create a scene both eerie and captivating. Huge thanks to Let's Resin for supporting AmazingTrungX throughout this creative journey. From my very first projects to the more complex builds today, Let's Resin has always been an essential part of the process. With incredible clarity, strong durability, and excellent anti-bubble performance, this resin gives me full confidence in every pour. I've tried many brands before, but Let's Resin consistently delivers that smooth, controllable feel, even when working with ultra-fine details or multi-layered designs. One of the biggest advantages? Its ability to blend beautifully with pigment powders, dyes, mica, and even natural materials like wood, stone, or sand. That versatility allows me to bring my wildest ideas to life, whether it's recreating an ocean inside a block or freezing a storm in mid-air. To me, resin isn't just a material, it's the foundation of imagination. And Let's Resin is what gives my artwork its soul. So, if you're looking for a resin that's reliable, crystal clear, and truly built for creators, give Let's Resin a try. You won't be disappointed. You'll find the product link down in the description below. And just like that, another wild vision becomes reality. Thank you for being part of every twist, turn, and crazy detail. Now take a deep breath, hit the lights, and witness the chaos and beauty we've unleashed. It's showtime.
Also, don't forget that we offer many unique epoxy resin products. Please support us by shopping on our website, www.AmazingTrungX.com. Wishing you all a week full of energy. Goodbye.